lashes, but okay. And welcome back to my channel. I hope that you guys had a great New Year's and a Christmas, and we are going to go ahead and get into my December Boxycharm. I know freaking well I'm late, but that's just the way it goes because I had a lot of stuff going on during Christmas, so this is as soon as I could get it done. So you guys probably already got your box, but if you didn't, this is what came in the box. I got my handy dandy scissors, and this was a big ass box, as you can see. So I'm going to go ahead and cut mine open so we can see what came in my box. Each box is specifically designed for you and your skin tone and your skin issues, so every box is not the same. So let's just see what we got in. And let me tell you guys, they wrap this stuff so nice. If your husband did not get you one for Christmas, your kids didn't get you one for Christmas, I don't know. I guess, girl, you might got some questions you need to ask. No, just kidding. Sometimes your finances will not allow you to get these, but keep it in mind. Somewhere down the road, you might be able to get one. And if not, you can just, live through me. Because, girl, I might not be getting them for long, so who knows. But anyway, while I am, let's just enjoy this package. If you want to see what I got in my December Boxycharm package, please keep on watching. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you will be able to look at some more of my great videos. And click that bell so that you will know every time that I upload a video. So stay tuned. Okay, if you're still around, and I know you subscribe, don't be playing. Don't be playing. Because I know you watched the video of my lashes, and if it didn't go up before this video, it may go up after this video. I know, these might consider these some hooker lashes, but okay, there's some hooker lashes, and I'm rocking this nice little short unit, which I love. It's not heavy, and I will, I think I put all the information for this unit in the other video, so if it's not up before this one, it will go up after this one. So anyway, on to my Boxycharm. So right out of the pack, they have in here some this is Kat Von D Dagger. Girl, let me put my glasses on because I don't have my contacts on. This is Kat Von D Dagger Tattoo Liner. Oh my goodness. I wanted to try this, and you know how I feel about my liner. I am just all in for it. I love Kat Von D's setting spray. So, oh man, this gives you a nice line. So, yeah, is this waterproof? Because, girl, sometimes you get to crying, your eyeliner be all over the place. Yes, it is a waterproof liquid liner in black. Let me see. It is, Trooper Black, girl. So, okay. So, that's a win-win right there, just to get this. This is not cheap. Okay, and we have some Too Faced Melted Matte Longwear Lipstick, and this is in the color Suck It. Don't be asking me. I don't know where these young people get these names from. Can you imagine being somewhere and somebody said, "Oh, I like your lipstick. What's the name of it?" Girl, Suck It. And they look at you like, what? Isn't that pretty? Look at that. Oh, look at that color. That's perfect for my skin tone. Let's just swatch this. Oh man, it looks so rich. Can you see that? Oh my goodness. That looks so pretty. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to put this on. This would go perfect with my look today. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh, I'm gonna be feeling this. This is really, really nice. I like this. I haven't really tried any of Too Faced's lipsticks, but I do like matte. And this just feels like a nice, rich formula, nice creamy formula. It went on really smooth. So yeah, I can't wait to try this out. It says lightweight, long-wearing formula. It features avocado oil, vitamin E, and some other crap, girl. But yeah, this is vitamin E. That's all you gotta tell me, because you know, as you get older, your lips. I mean, I got really thin lips, so you know, for a black girl. But yeah, this is really cute. Let's see what else. Oh, we got some skincare in here. You know, I love skincare. Okay, we have some The Ritual of Sakura. I hope I'm saying that right. If not, sorry. It's Sensational Foaming Shower Gel. Organic rice milk and cherry blossom. Ooh. Oh my God, this smells so freaking good. Oh my goodness. In Japan, the annual flowering of Sakura has been celebrated for centuries, and it symbolizes the beauty of life. Make each day feel like a new beginning. I swear, it's January. We all need to make each day feel like a beginning, because life is short and you have to start each day like it is your last. And if I get up every morning and take a shower with this, I don't need to put on any perfume. Oh my goodness, this smells so good. I cannot wait to use this. Oh my goodness. It's a foaming shower gel. Yeah, I am going to use this. Girl, I'm going to use this tonight, because I just want to, anything that says organic rice milk, yeah, I'm going to try it out, because I'm all about some nice organic items. The world is coming back to plant-based products, which are excellent. It started off that way. It should have remained that way. The less ingredients you put on your body, the better it is. Just like the less stuff you put in your body. And I'm finding that out with MS. It's just, that's the way life is. But anyway, so let's move on. We have some fresh soy face cleanser for all skin types, rich in amino acids, gently cleanses face and eyes. And this is a big bottle. So yeah, so I am going to be trying this out, and let's see. This is the great big one that you get. It is, now I have the other cleanser that I've been using, and I actually love that one for taking off my makeup. This one looks, girl, I'm trying to squeeze it out of here. It seems it's kind of thick, unless it has a little top on here. Let's see. Probably so. Yeah, it has a little top on here, and I'm not going to open it right now. I want to finish using my other one before I open this one up. But yeah, this is soy face cleanser. You always can use stuff on your face, but make sure that you try it on your hand or something like that first to make sure it doesn't break your face out or anything like that. And then the last item that I got in my little box was the Fairy Tale Storybook Cosmetic. Oh, look at this. Life itself is the most wonderful fairy tale. Look at this. Oh, isn't this just beautiful? It is Little Briar Rose. It is cosmetics, a palette. This is cute. It has the name. It has the names right on it, guys. I like this. This is just absolutely cute. Let's just see how it swatches. I'm not crazy about some of these colors, but yeah, let's see. But yeah, I'm loving. Oh my goodness, look at the blue. Oh, that blue is pretty. I do like some of these too. Those are nice. And I really like this shade here. I don't know if that'll show up on my skin tone, but, and this is pretty right here. Let's see if we can get that on there. So, oh, that is beautiful there. So I do like this, but I'm not crazy about all of the colors, but you don't have to be. Just use the colors that you like. So yeah, I made a mess out of it. But yeah, and this one is even, oh, look at that. I probably never use it, but still, that is pretty as well. So they have some nice colors in this little palette, and you can stick this up on your little shelf. So all in all, I still got some great things that I love in my little December Boxycharm. And if you enjoyed this Boxycharm reveal, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And as always, guys, let me take my glasses off because it's time for me to throw you my kisses. Mwah. Thank you for watching, and I love you guys. See ya.